So the car has the check engine light on for the emissions problem. Put a code reader, you see one code, and you say okay. Let's read the codes. Unable to bleed up fuel tank vacuum. So that's the code P1450. Okay, let's get started. Alright, this video is for pretty much any Ford after 2012, Ford Fusion, Ford Focus. The problem is once you refill the car with a full gas tank, the car won't start. It throws a code and it points to multiple things. Basically the evap system has some problem. The first thing to change is the valve solenoid next to the charcoal canister, which is right under here. That's a easy pull it out, push it back in kind of a part. So I changed that. Didn't help. The car makes a lot of noises, like whining noises back in the charcoal canister, and you'd see hissing and puffing. And the second attempt here is to change this hose. So this hose, not sure what it's called, some evap hose, but there's multiple parts to it. You have this end of the hose that comes from right here, and it attaches to here, and then the hard part is getting this from down here, and then there's one way down there. I don't know if you can see. If you track the hose down here, the only way to get it is from the top and using your fingers. And so here's the replacement part. Let's change it and see if it fixes. Okay, so it was a pain to take this off from the old part. Basically, force it to turn 180 and pull this tab up, and it budged. Now I need to put it back on, and you can see the little stub right there. So feel it with the fingers. It's unbelievable. Yep. I don't know if I can. Impossible to film this, but it's right on it. Now all I need to do is make sure the angle is correct and push it to hear the click. Let's see. Let's push it. Okay, guess it's in. Need to push that yellow thing back to see if it's shaking or not. So it was a pain, but it's doable. So what you do is you push it all the way in and put it in place, and put your finger underneath and push the yellow thing to close. Only if it's all the way seated inside, the yellow things will pop up and lock in place. And it did it, so happy about that. Now need to put back all the other ones.
This one?
This one will go into here. This one goes into here, and don't forget the wiring for that solenoid as well. Okay, once that main yellow part is in, don't forget to put the green clamp, which is this guy right here. Same exact principle. This one, push it in and push the green tabs inward so they lock. And once that's done, make sure this hose is connected to the air intake. That's just a quick push. Simple press, release, and click back on. And then these two more down here, that guy and the wiring on that spot. So hopefully this fixes the problem.